I just did all that yip yap and the camera wasn't even on. So let me rewind so I can show y'all. So these are my best friends. Today we're gonna be oil pulling. So this is the coconut oil that I use. This is Viva Naturals Organic Extra Virgin Coconut Oil, cold pressed and unrefined. I take almost half a tablespoon and it's not melted or anything. It's straight up coconut oil, you guys. So if you're weird about textures, you're not gonna like it. It's gonna be rough for you, but as you swish it around, it's gonna thin out, of course. So I swish this for about at least 15 to 20 minutes. I usually do this at night, but since we're getting ready to go out, you know, you gotta get that brush. And I spit it out in the trash. I started brushing my teeth already before I decided to do this, so there's a little bit of toothpaste in my mouth. So I'm talking weird. Do not spit it out in the sink because oil can clog your drains. So then after you oil pull, go in with your toothbrush and brush your teeth like normal. And this is what I'm using. And I just go in and scrape my tongue. Mouthwash. So my girl is on the way to pick me up. So let's just start with the makeup first. Get this over with. Slap this on real quick. Y'all know how I get down? By now. This is something that I miss so much. Like, this is my second set of locks. And I just finally got back to the length where if you need to just tie your hair back real quick, take two of these bad boys from down here. Boom. That's all you need. Built-in ponytail holders. I'm so excited to be back to this length, so yeah, let's get this makeup started. We need the basics. Mascara, this powder stuff, foundation, eyebrow pencil, maybe a little blush, of course, my shine control. I'm gonna start with this powder stuff first today. Sometimes I put the powder on first, sometimes I put the liquid on first. I don't be knowing. I just put it on. You guys, I don't even go out like that, but it's my girl's birthday. Well, her birthday's on Wednesday, so I decided to get my old ass the hell up. That's like the only time I go out to like functions like this is for birthdays, and I usually only have like one or two friends. So this year I went out for my birthday, of course, and then that honestly might be it for this year. So yeah, it's usually like a twice a year, once or twice a year thing. I'm old, y'all. Old at heart, not old in age, because 29 is young. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Well, I thought once you hit 30, you was just old as dust. But that is not the case. I am glad to be in my 30s. So I'm in my 30s, I'm 29. Glad to be in my late 20s, because being early 20s is for the birds. That is lame, confusing, and a bunch of struggles. It's not to say I won't be struggling in certain departments now in my life, but being in your early 20s, hell no. My girl turning 26, so she about to cross that threshold. Now this is the same friend that I did a video with a couple weeks ago, maybe a couple months ago, where we dyed our locks together. It's my girl Taya. What you reading over there? Just get on over here. Girl, you reading, doing the patch test. It's too late for that, baby girl. Move on. Let's get it cracking. Oh. To the red. Oh. Stop hating on the plate. Alright. That's good looking right there. Okay. So now I'm gonna put on this shine control. This is Neutrogena Shine Control Powder Rice Protein Complex. Whatever. Excuse me. I just dab this all over. I have very oily skin, you guys, so it's actually not as bad as it used to be because I've gotten my acne, you know, kind of under control. Not even kind of, let me be grateful. Got my acne under control. So yeah, my skin is kind of acting right. We're gonna go to the liquor store after she picked me up, get us some bottles so we can pregame. And then we're gonna go to one of our friends' house. These are my girls from the meetups. It's just really cool, it's a beautiful thing. Because I really started some amazing friend groups. All right, so that's that. Let's slap on a little blush just to be extra cute. The same MAC I've had since 2020 from aesthetic school. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Let me look in the real mirror and make sure I don't look crazy. Nope, looks all right to me. All right, let's do these brows. I think I'm gonna wax my brows for like the first time in probably years, you guys. I was thinking about doing them today. I was supposed to do a whole bunch of like new self-care stuff today, but I ended up doing a lot of it on Friday. Like shaved a girl down there, and I did my laser treatment. It's called a Kenzie at-home IPL machine, and it's pretty much just like a laser. So you're supposed to use it once a week for like 12 weeks at least to see a dramatic change in your hair growth. So hopefully that'll help to thin my hair out, because I have very, very, very thick, coarse hair around my body. Hairy as hell. You can't, this does it justice. What was I saying about my eyebrows? Oh yeah, I was supposed to do a bunch of stuff today for self-care Sunday. I did my little at-home pedicure for the first time. Pedicure, I wasn't stuck my damn feet in the bathtub. But I did a good scrubbing and finally took the toenail polish off my toenails for my birthday back in September. So, you know, I did some good stuff. Slap on this mascara. It's a little toasty. I need to get my water bottle and get to drinking. I'm having a couple drinks today, guys. I'm a very, very, very rare drinker. I drink very socially, and like I've established, I don't do a lot of social things. So, yeah. I wanted to get some wine on Friday, but I didn't. I said maybe I'll do it on Saturday, which was yesterday, but I didn't. So today, I'm turning up. So that's the makeup. I'll do the lips later. Yeah, they look ashy now because it's makeup on them. Don't be, it's makeup. I'm mad because I ran out of all my hair mist. I don't got no Free the Roots. This is the best I can do, and I don't have any distilled water, so I'm gonna have to just put some regular water in here real quick, just so my hair can be pliable. Ooh. I'm gonna put a little bit of this oil. SheaLox Growth and Shine Oil. This is a sweet moisture with apricot and rosemary. Oh, it smells like the goodest cake. Just for a little scent. My hair is already very moisturized, but oh, it just smells so good, y'all. Oh, what my girl say? Okay. She said she has some traffic, so she's gonna be a little bit behind. All right, let me get my ponytail order. Hold on. So you just grab some locks, like these front ones, and then you just wrap around. Push there a little bit longer so the ends don't always end up in the front, but the ends always end up in the front. That's just the length. Ooh, this one is messy. Ooh, okay. And then you just adjust, tuck and adjust, tuck and adjust. And then sometimes I'll have one like from the side here that I can just wrap around, but I don't think that one's gonna make sense today, so I may not have any wraparounds. That way you can hide the ponytail holder, but it ain't that deep. Especially the ponytail holder is the same color as your locks, so that's alright. That is the hair. Oh my arms. Now it'll all come together with the outfit and then the earrings once I change up my earrings. Okay? Look how easy. Easy. Alright. Trying to fit. Y'all know the G in my closet. I'm so mad, you guys, because my favorite pair of jeans is zipper broke. I'm talking about my favorite pair. I don't care about no other pair but that one. Let me see what shirt I'm about to wear. Alright, so that was pretty quick. I think I might wear this cute top. It's not that hot out or not that cold today. Current temperature 66 degrees, December 3rd, okay? We're gonna be, I think the place is like a combination of indoor outdoor, so maybe this top and then these jeans. Got a little natural cuff at the bottom. But I also found a lock that I can do the wraparound thing. So hold on, let me show you how to do this. It needs to be done. See this one right here? So you're gonna take this and just, I guess I can go back. Take it around down. And then just tuck it in the back somewhere. Okay, that's cool. It might look crooked in the camera, but ain't nothing wrong with a little crooked. It's with the style. Come on now. I hate when you try to adjust it and it just keeps getting worse and worse. Come on now, like, you're doing too much. Oh, I think I got some little ponytail holders. That would help. I don't know what these things are, but I do have some rubber bands, so maybe if I slap a couple rubber bands over this bun, girl, be for real. I do got this big old thing, but I don't think my locks are just so thick that this probably is not gonna work. All right, I did a little something, poke out up in there. Okay. I just did all that yip yap and the camera wasn't even on. So let me rewind so I can show y'all. So these are my best friends. You know, I got these little itty bitties, titties. So I don't really like to wear bras a lot. They ain't really going nowhere. But these, you slap these things on, these little pasty things, solves the problem. Check out the link in my bio for my Amazon storefront. But the outfit is a go. Nice, simple, really cute though. Okay, this is cute. I might leave with a man. Or not leave with a man, but leave with a man of interest. Not leave with him, but fine, meet one. I might meet one. Okay, I ain't leaving with no damn man. So, yeah, let's go ahead and change up some jewelry and then we will be ooh, what the hell? Come on, did I just do that? That's a lot of makeup. Oh, look like doo-doo stain. Oh well. Anyway, let's find some jewelry. We're either gonna do the hoops or the hoops. So we can pick together. Okay, the classic, my favorite, or this one. We're gonna go with the little one lit. Okay, got my little cheap jewelry on. Let me just throw on a lip cup. Ooh, let me get my brown lipstick. And I already got this Vaseline on, so it ain't gonna be like too brown. I can't do too brown. Gonna do like a nice little brown shade. Lit. The final look. Ooh, feeling that, I'm feeling fine. I feel that. This hairstyle been unlocking some the past few days for me. Sucked in these jeans. Okay. Got the watch on. Thanks, Pops. And my girls almost here. Is it better? Titties out.